How to find out Cloud Importer and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare Cloud Importer tool in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch Cloud Importer and click on the Finish button. How to import local files to cloud account with this software. First, you need to install Betavare Cloud Importer on your computer and open it. Then select any file format which you want to import local files to cloud account. Then click on the Next button. Then click on the Browse button for the Select Your File. If you want to add more files from another location, then click on Add More File button. Then click on the Next button. Here are multiple options to choose any one email client according to you. Then click on Next button. Then put your Gmail account username and password and click on the Authenticate User button. Here you can choose your folder which you want to import your data. If you want to create a new folder, then click on this checkbox and give a file name. Finally, click on the Upload Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the Cloud Importer software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the importer your emails from cloud.